volunteers. I know there's some able-bodied in the back who would be kind
Come
enough.
on.
You don't have to speak. There's no words.
No words.
It's very easy.
We're not going to embarrass
I make
you.
sounds.
Yeah.
We're not going to embarrass you. Come on.
Yeah.
Don't be shy.
Come
on.
Please,
Come on.
please. I know
Come on.
Susan's back there. Would you like to come up, Susan, please?
I think she does. Because,
Come on, come on.
Come on.
Everyone, oh, but the other Sue. Okay. Come on.
Okay. You need two?
We need two.
All right.
But thank you, we've got one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sue. The other Sue.
The other Sue, or do you want to come up?
Come on.
Yeah, but I can move my bag.
Can she use her walker?
Yeah, sure.
Do
Just
you want to
Sue,
come up
grab
with
my
your
bag
walker?
out of the way.
Yeah.
Let her come up.
Yep, we should go to where she is.
Well, then we have to move. Oh, no. Well, actually, you can do it from there. We'll leave you there.
Yeah, we'll leave you
she
there.
can do it from there.
Just be loud.
Okay, just remember that our volunteers over here are sitting down, and here's our other volunteers. Now, we're gonna have Janet and Dave up here, and Janet and Dave need to go on an adventure. Somebody give me an adventure for Janet and Dave. Mount Everest adventure. That sounds wonderful. So Janet and Dave are on a Mount Everest adventure. Now, I'm gonna pair my mom up with Janet, and Susan up with Dave. And what you two ladies are going to do is provide the sound effects for their adventure. So for example, if Janet says, I dropped my book, choo, there we go, we have a sound effect. And if Dave says, oh, I kicked the cat, meow, see, there we go. Now you can also feel free to interject sounds just on your own whim, and they have to enroll that into the skit. So has everybody got it? Now you ladies be nice and loud so everyone over there can hear your sounds, okay? And off on an adventure they go.
Well, let's see. I think I got everything I need here. I've got my pickaxe, and I got some rope, and I've got
Shoot.
a megaphone.
What was that? Sound like a dog or something. Are you bringing a German Shepherd with you?
Well, I did have my puppy in my pocket.
That's a little Chihuahua made that big of a sound?
You think you could come up the mountain with us?
Yeah, we might get hungry.
It doesn't have much meat on the bone.
Well, we'll fatten it up. We'll find something for it to
I'm
have.
thinking the oxygen up there isn't going to be enough for it. You run along.
Something
now.
that I think we need is... He landed in the snow. He just made a woof sound. You know what? I think we need some jackets because it's going to be awfully cold up there. So let me get this nice vinyl jacket over here. It's kind of quiet. Here, you want to put yours on? Here, I'm going to go get mine.
Well, I want to make
Oh, the
sure
sleeve is inside out.
I want to make sure my cell phone is working before we go up that mountain.
I'm going to zip up my jacket. There we go.
Well, at least we get a signal here. That's
Okay.
a good thing.
Can I use your grappling hook? I'm going to throw it up to the top of the mountain.
Be my guest.
Okay.
Top. Oh, let's see that. Maybe just to the next ledge.
Okay. Oh, you have a switchblade? It sounded like a switchblade. Okay, why don't you climb first? Ladies first.
Okay.
Be careful, watch your step.
I have to tell you, my knee makes quite a creak when I go.
Sorry, I left the door open. There we go.
You sure you really want to go up this mountain? Because you're going to have to listen to this creak all day.
Well, here, while you're waiting, I'm going to read the newspaper.
Well, getting pretty
It's all
far
garbage.
ahead.
Wow, quiet newspaper.
Damn.
What happened?
Rope burn.
I didn't hear any rope burn.
Weren't listening very good, were you?
I guess not.
All right, you coming up behind me?
Yeah. Coming up behind you. Just make sure you
Okay.
don't fall.
Well, I'm going to start using my pickaxe, my, whatever those little chink things are called.
Spurs.
Sure.
Oh, someone's shooting at us.
Ching.
You hear that? Someone's shooting.
That's just me getting my stick in the rock.
I Are you making popcorn too? How are you able to do that?
Bean.